Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your daily energies, guys, we'll be picking few cards. For your love reading, it's going to be a very detailed reading, like a pick a card. So stay tuned for that love reading. That will come up right after this daily reading, guys, Taurus. So before we start the reading, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year, guys, Taurus. So these are the cards for your daily reading, guys. Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and Knight of Wands in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, Taurus, some new beginning are coming towards you, something which you love, something which you are really passionate about, and you are quite emotional that these beginnings are coming in your life today, and something that is using your skills and talents, and you are a very knowledgeable person, a very talented person, and you know how to progress forward in your life, reach your goals, and you have the right skills and abilities to reach your goals and your dreams, and you are moving forward towards those goals, guys, in life, Taurus. So these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys, and I also see that maybe for some of you, you may be in a relationship with a person, and though you have that understanding and love, maybe for some of you in this connection there are some misunderstandings, some kind of quarrels, fights, or some kind of troubles in this connection, guys, Taurus, or it may be something to do in your career. So it is really difficult for you to get that understanding with this person. So you need to put in lot of efforts for this connection, and you are doing that because you are a person who is that strong willed and determined. So you have that perseverance to see things through. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment, guys. For your love reading, guys, stay tuned for that love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. Don't miss on that reading because it's going to be an elaborate reading, Taurus. So stay tuned for that. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is our first deck and this is the second deck. So whichever deck you choose for yourself, you can choose the pile, and whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, guys, and these cards may answer those questions. So let's start with this first card. I'll be quiet for a few seconds and then we will start the reading. So let's see what we are getting with the first cards here, guys. I'll start after a few seconds. Okay, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, let's see what are the cards. Any questions you have in your situation, you can think about it, and I will open these cards now. So whatever questions you have in your mind, you can think of those questions, guys. Let's see what are these cards here. It's love, star, and six of fire. So with these cards in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this first deck, in this relationship you are working towards that understanding, and maybe with this person you both know the truth in each other's heart now. You are understanding each other and you are renewing your trust and faith you have on each other. and you are doing it in a very unique way, and you are transforming yourself, changing so much, and you have changed so much because of this connection, because of this love. Maybe it is love, true love, that may be the reason that you feel inspired and you feel confident when you are with this person, and you feel encouraged when you are with them, and you are seeing things in a new way now, a new beginning in your life, and you have faith and hope for your future. Maybe the reasons, maybe that this may be true love, that may be the reason that we are getting this very positive energy here, guys. So for those, if you are in a position, if you are thinking about this connection, whether you want to take that next step forward, whether you want to go for that deep commitment, this may be the right time, guys. This person loves you, and maybe for some of you, it may even be an unconditional love. That may be the reason for these cards. We have a very positive set of cards here. So you are working towards that greater understanding and love in this connection, guys. So that is what we see with these cards, guys. For those who have chosen this deck, this love is unconditional, and you will be happy if you take a positive step, maybe with deeper commitment. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. So let's see what are coming with these cards, guys. For those who chose the second deck, we'll be picking 3 cards again from this deck. Let's see what are these cards. So whatever questions you have in your mind about your situation, you can think about it, and I will turn these cards now. It's the Devil, Temperance in reverse, and the Moon in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, this may be what you feel about this person, or what they feel about you, about this connection. So in this relationship, you are what to say, in a phase of your life, you are doing things to make yourself happy. You are quite selfish. Maybe it may be your energy, or that person you are involved with, their energy. So you are trying to trick yourself. Maybe you're not telling the truth about yourself, and you're trying to get this attention of this person, attraction. You are attracted to them. It may be on the physical level, guys. So again, this may not be a deep, meaningful connection. So that may be the reason that we see these cards, and you are quite impatient. You want to go forward in this connection. Maybe you have that physical attraction with this person, and you want to go forward. You have a very aggressive attitude towards this connection, or this may be their attitude towards you, or you may be competing with somebody to take this person. So you just want that, have that fling with this person, have that short relationship. Maybe it may be a physical kind of a relationship, not that deep bonding or deep connection at that emotional level. You may not share with this person, guys. So you just want to have fun. Maybe for some of you, you are also influenced by some bad habits, guys. So your behavior, it may be it may not be rational. It may be, this may be your energy or this person's energy. So you need to be really careful if your person is under the spell of some addiction, some bad habits, drinking, smoking, something of that sort. So you need to be really careful with them, because they are not stable, and their mind will not be stable, and they will not stick to the point they say. So whatever they speak or whatever their actions are, you cannot have that total trust on them, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this deck. This love is just a casual thing, it is not a meaningful love. So if you are interested in a casual relationship, you can go for this person, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen the second deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.